Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this easy natural brow. Starting off with a spoolie, I'm going to be combing through my brow hairs just to form my brow back into its shape. Next, taking my brow pomade, and I'm only going to be dipping into this one time and never back into the container. We're going to be using minimal product for this natural brow. So starting at the arch of my brow, I'm going to be making a line all the way to the tail of my brow, and then using flicking motions throughout my brow to fill in the rest of it. Then at the top arch of my brow, again, I'm going to be drawing another line. The reason why the arches of my brow is where I'm applying most product is because, in my opinion, when you want a natural brow, as long as your arch is okay, then you'll get a fleeky brow. So after that, whatever's left on my brush, I'm just going to comb it through the rest of my brow. And then using my spoolie when needed just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. Alright, so next is concealer, and because it's winter, I'm in between shades right now, so I'm going to be using two concealer shades to mix together on the back of my hand. Starting at the arch of my eyebrow, I'm going to be lining my entire eyebrow. Concentrating at the arch of my brow, I'm going to be carving out my brow. And this is going to be the most important step because it's really going to clean up the brow, get any of the imperfections if you went out of the shape of your natural brow, anything like that, the concealer is going to fix. So I recommend you just go with a light hand just to make sure you don't over outline, and that's just going to give you the best results. Once I've outlined, I'm going to be dragging the rest of that concealer on my brow bone, and I don't like the complete carving out of the brow, so I don't go all the way at the front of my brow, but on the top of my brow, I do outline the tail of my brow. Okay, and going in with a beauty blender, I'm just going to be blending out that concealer because, once again, we don't want any prominent bright lines. We're not going for that look. No, pure natural. So we want to make sure that we blend everything out and that it's one seamless finish. Time to set. I'm going to be using some setting powder to just set that concealer using a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm going to comb through the brows with my spoolie one last time just to make sure everything's in the correct spot. And now I'm going to be taking some brow gel to set my brows because my brow hairs are naturally curly, so throughout the day, if I don't set them well, they'll kind of like curl up and move out of place. So brow gel is key. Okay, you guys, I'm also going to show you a comparison of my natural brow versus my bare brow. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like this natural brow tutorial. If you want to see how I do my bold brow tutorial, leave a comment down below. And also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.